The question number 10, record the below transaction in accounts. Record the below transaction in accounts. So first we mark the debit and credit. We know asset increases debit, asset decreases credit. Cash is an asset, so increases debit. Furniture is an asset, increases debit. Cash is an asset, decreases credit. Cash is an asset, increases credit. Again, Cash increases debit. Again, cash increases debit. Cash decreases credit. Data is an asset, decreases credit. Creditor decreases, it's a liability, so debit. Bank loan increases, liability credit. Capital equity increases credit. So we mark the debit and credit first. After that, we will record in the accounts. They ask us to prepare, record in the accounts, right? Accounts. So when you come to accounts, first one, you need cash account, capital account. First one, you need cash account, capital account. Cash account and capital account. So in the ledger, we open two accounts. Cash account we can write in this short form, and capital account. In any account, this side is called debit side. This side is called credit side. In any account, this side is debit, this side is credit. Like we have right and left accounts, debit and credit. It won't change. It never change. Okay. So as per the first double entry, cash account debit 90,000, capital account credit 90,000. So cash account debit 90,000 and capital account credit 90,000. Earlier we wrote double entries like this. In this we write cash account debit and capital account credit. But now we are writing in accounts. Cash account debit 90,000, capital account credit 90,000. That is only difference. In cash account, we have to write a detail over here. Cash account debit side entry recorded in the capital account credit. So in this place, we have to write capital account. Capital or capital account. This entry goes to capital account. So in capital account, we have to write cash account. We never write cash under cash account. Capital under capital account. Careful. Cash account, we write capital account. Cash account, we write capital account. Capital account, we write cash. We'll take one more example. Second one. Cash account credit, furniture account debit. So we need two accounts. Furniture account, cash account. We know in any account, debit and credit. This side is debit, this side is credit. The double entry says furniture account debit 20,000, cash account credit 20,000. The double entry says furniture account debit 20,000, cash account credit 20,000. So furniture account debit 20,000. So in furniture account we write debit 20,000 and cash account we write credit 20,000. This is how we record. So detail in furniture account, do we write furniture? No. Furniture account we write cash. Cash account we write furniture. Likewise, you can record the rest of the transaction. So each transaction, we need two accounts. Number 3, cash account and bank loan account. Number 4, cash account and debtors account. Number 5, cash account and creditors account. Likewise, you do this question as well as question number 11. While we are doing number 11, remember the stock, when you record in accounts, you have to open not stock account. Instead of stock, you have to open purchase account. That's the only thing you have to note it down. Instead of stock, you can't change in the question, don't change. The answer, when you prepare the accounts, instead of stock, you prepare purchase account. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, please contact me, no problem, anytime. Look at the question number 12. I made a small change. The double entry says cash account increasing debit, furniture increasing debit, cash decreasing credit, cash increasing debit. Likewise, it goes. You know how to record it, right? How to write debit, credit, right? In this question, number 12, I made a small change. Now, in this question, 10, there are 5 transactions, so you need 10 ledgers. But all the cash transaction, we are going to record in one account. After you finish the question number 10 and 11 only, you have to come to this. Huh? Don't be hurry. Finish it 11 and 10 and 11, then come to 12. Cash account, only one account. So first one, cash account debit, capital account credit. First transaction, cash account debit, capital account credit. So the account we open, already cash account is here, only the capital account. So as per the entry, cash account debit 20,000, capital account credit 90,000. Sorry. So cash account debit 90,000. Detail we write capital. Capital account credit side we write cash 90,000. So as usual. Look at the second entry. The second entry is furniture account debit, cash account credit. So furniture account, we open a furniture account. Furniture account debit 20,000, cash, because it goes to cash account, right? And we don't want to open another cash account. In the same cash account, we can write furniture 20,000. So this is the difference. We don't want to prepare different cash account. In one cash account, we can record all 5 transactions one by one. Next one, cash account debit 30,000. So you can write in next line 30,000. And what do you write here? It is bank loan. And go to bank loan account. Bank loan account, credit side, cash. Credit side, cash. 30,000 rupees. So without preparing one by one cash account, one cash account itself, we can record everything. That is a change I made it in question number 12. 13th question also, same method. You open only one cash account, but there is a small change, that is cut off this 60,000 and this make it 30 equity and market capital. Right? You can do the rest. Under this cash account, draw one more account, there's a shortage. You draw one more T account and do the rest. You may need one extra account. So you can draw near that 11, number 11. You can draw in it, the space available. So you prepare this account, one cash account. One cash account for all the 7 transactions. Bank loan, there are 2 transactions. So you have to open only one bank account, bank loan account. No 2 bank loan accounts, one bank loan. But under equity, you have 3 different options: capital, drawings, rent. So you can't open one account. It is 3 accounts. Cash account, you have many, one cash account. Bank loan account, you have 2 transactions. Bank loan account, 1 account. But equity, you have 3 transactions, but all 3 are different. One is capital, capital account. Drawings, drawings account. Rent, rent account. Prepare the answers and send it to me. WhatsApp me the answers. Then I can check it you and let you know if there any mistake.